In this video, we're diving into PHP's foreach loops, a powerful tool for iterating through arrays and objects. You'll master efficient iteration in PHP. Let's get started. The foreach loop in PHP is a control structure that provides an easy way to iterate over arrays and objects. It simplifies the process of accessing each element in a collection, making your code cleaner and more readable. Here's the basic syntax of the foreach loop. The first structure is foreach, then in parentheses $array as $value. Inside the curly brackets is the code to execute. The second structure is foreach, then in parentheses $array as $key equals $value. Inside the curly brackets is the code with key and value. In the first form, the loop iterates through the array, assigning each value to the $value variable. In the second form, it assigns both the key and the value to the $key and $value variables, respectively. Let's look at a simple array example. First, we define an array called $fruits with three elements: apple, banana, and orange. Then we use a foreach loop to iterate through the $fruits array, assigning each fruit to the $fruit variable. Inside the loop, we print each fruit followed by a new line character. As you can see in the output, it prints apple, then banana, then orange, each in a new line. Now let's explore an associative array example. Here we have an associative array called $student with keys like name, age, and grade, and their corresponding values. The foreach loop iterates through the $student array, assigning each key to the $key variable and its value to the $value variable. Inside the loop, we print each key-value pair, separated by a colon and a new line character. The output displays each key-value pair such as name John, age 25, and grade A, each in a new line. Here's a multidimensional array example. We have an array called $users containing nested arrays with name and age keys. The foreach loop iterates through the $users array, assigning each user array to the $user variable. Inside the loop, we print the name value for each user, followed by a new line character. It outputs Alice and Bob in separate lines. Let's consider an object iteration example. First, we define a class called car with public properties $brand and $model. We then create an instance of the car class called $car. The foreach loop iterates through the properties of the $car object, assigning each property name to the $property variable and its value to the $value variable. Inside the loop, we print each property value pair, separated by a colon and a new line character. The output will be brand Toyota and model Camry. The foreach loop has several key benefits. Firstly, it offers a simple syntax, making your code clean and readable. Secondly, it ensures safe iteration, preventing index out-of-bounds errors. Thirdly, it's automatic, handling array size adjustments seamlessly. Lastly, it's versatile, working with both arrays and objects, making it a valuable tool in PHP development. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.